today's lessons, we will teach you how to solve recursive formulas. There will be one question for arithmetic and one for geometric.
Arithmetic is a branch of math that deals usually with non-negative real numbers with the operations of addition and subtraction.
Geometrical formula is when each term is found by multiplying or dividing the previous term by a constant number.
A recursive formula always uses the preceding term to define the next term of the sequence. Sequences can have the same formula, but because they start with a different number, they have different patterns. For the first equation is going to be for arithmetic, and the equation is a of 2 equals 14, comma, a of 6 equals 22. And so the key points that you were trying to find are a of 1 and a of n. So the first step that we would do is write 22. Write 22 minus 14, and then the divide sign, and then 6 minus 2. And we got these numbers because 22 and 6 are one fraction and 14 and 2 are the other fraction. And this would equal, what is the denominator? The top would be 8. And that would equal to 2. So this is the common number that they add or divide or subtract. So to find a of 1, it would equal this 14 minus 2 equals 12. And then the AK plus 1 equals AK plus 2. So this is the entire answer.
The second part will be geometric. The question is base of n equals to negative 5 by 2 to the n. In order to find the first term, you need to substitute n for 1. And solve. So in this case, it will be negative 10. In order to solve this equation, you need to know base of 1. That is going to be negative 10, and base of n. That is base of n is equal to base of n times 2.
Next up, we want you guys to solve these sample problems. So pause the video here and see if you can try to solve them, and we'll come back after you are done.
So now that you have solved these equations, why don't we check the answer? For number 1, you should have gotten base of 1 is equals to 8, and base of n plus 1 is equals to base of n minus 2. This is all because each time you subtract 2 to the previous number. And for the second equation, you should have gotten base of 1 is equals to negative 21, and base of n plus 1 is equals to base of n times negative 3.
We hope that you are now experts and will pass on your success on completing and learning how to solve recursive formula equations onto your friends.